Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off auto brightness on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. Next, scroll down and then tap on Display and Text Size. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on Auto Brightness. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Now when you switch this off, it said that the screen may get affected in terms of long-term performance, and also it may affect your battery life. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.